Inside, I did some modifications because I added steering, so I got a little bit more weight on the tail. So what I had to do is I had to add a piece of wood on the front to bring the battery forward inside. So that's how I was able to get it to balance. So hopefully we're balanced with the battery all the way forward. So here's the tail that I added. The original plans just had a block of wood or a piece of wood that would be on the back for steering. That's horrible because you can't do anything when you're on the ground. So I added the steering and I added a piece of wire to go up to the rudder. I got some brass tubing in there to make the wire move freely, and I have great steering. It steers really, really nice. The kit also has where you have rubber bands that actually hold the wing in place. I don't like the way that looks. To me, it just doesn't look clean. So you can see the original holes that are there where the dowels went in that actually you would put the rubber bands around. So I completely got rid of that. And I moved, if you look to the bottom here, I added some nylon bolts to the bottom, and I've got some pieces of wood on the inside to hold on the nuts and the bolts. So, and then down below, I added this piece of wood so the wing can slide into to lock in place. And also on the wing, I have a piece of carbon fiber tubing that goes into the fuse to hold it in place. So it looks much more cleaner than the actual rubber bands that would go around. And then you get all the pinching that happens on your covering when you've got rubber bands. So that was eliminated. And all the decals and everything on here, I cut with a vinyl cutter, and it was a whole lot nicer to do than trying to do it by hand. So that worked out really, really well. Well, here we go. Flight of the Charlie. See if I can fly her. She flies great. Super docile. Oh my gosh, really, really good flyer. Beautiful flight. Really slow flyer. Got about just a little bit above half throttle. All right, we're gonna try landing her and see how she comes in. have to come a little bit faster. She's a floater. Woohoo! Great flyer. Love the Charlie. Beautiful flight. So here it is, the Charlie. Great flying airplane. Really impressed with it. It's a really good floater. Nice plane, looks great, and I'm really happy with the build. If you're looking to get a fun kit to build, this is the way to go. StevensAero, again, another plus.